Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. Thank you for joining me for another installment of 3 impactful paints. So it's cold here in Chicago, but we have a nice bright sunny day for a change. So I decided to go with some nice bright colors today. So I've got a red, yellow, and copper. And for my white, I'm introducing something new. So this is my normal white paint, but I've added a little bit of BakerModern.art satin enamel to it, and this is going to add some different effects to what we get from it. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to add in a bunch of other paints to the series, but I feel like this is one of those where it's not a huge investment, but you can do some really cool things with it and get some really interesting effects that you aren't going to get with your regular white paints. So let's get down to the canvas. I'll show you the paints. We'll talk about mixing them, and let's pour some paint. Let's talk about our paints. So here I have a beautiful Bordeaux red. This is an Arteza color. This is a really gorgeous, deep, moody red. Just love it. I have my BakerModern copper. Again, this is my favorite copper. It dries really, really metallic and beautiful. Love it. I have cadmium yellow. This is also, I can't remember if this is BakerModern or Blick Studio line, but it's definitely black. Here I have, sorry, let me go here. Here I have my normal BakerModern white. And what I've done is I've put that in here, and I've added 1 scoop of this. So this is the BakerModern satin enamels. This one's almost empty. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that on camera. There's a little bit of an oil slick on top. I think that's what gives it the added effects that you get. So you want to stir that up, and the amount I have in here is maybe like that. Not even maybe a teaspoon, maybe not even a teaspoon, okay? And that's what I have stirred into here. Let's start mixing. So I'm going to take this one out of rotation for mixing, because if I mix with white, I'm going to mix with this white. So let's start with some yellow. A little bit of copper. See how that does. So that creates kind of a peachy color almost. I'm not sure if that's going to show up on camera really well. I might I'll try a little more copper in that one. Ooh, yeah, I like that. That'll be a nice contrast color for these brighter colors. It's a little more earthy, which is kind of interesting, and I like that. Okay, I'm going to want a fair bit of this one. So I'm going to do copper and red, the Bordeaux red. Okay, so the red kind of takes over here, which is fine in this case because it creates just a really nice metallic red. Nice and shimmery, so I like that a lot. Let's do a yellow with a little bit of white. Not going to put a ton in, but a little bit. This is a more opaque color than this, so I don't want to overwhelm. I want to lighten the yellow without overwhelming it. Yeah, that's a nice light yellow. Almost a Naples yellow, kind of. A little bit brighter. Kind of that general line. Okay. And then, just so you guys can see it, I'll do some Bordeaux red and white. I'm not sure that I'll use this because it's going to end up a little pinky, which is not the color scheme I'm going for today. So this is a very opaque color too, so I can do a little more white in here. So kind of an interesting pink color. Not really what I'm going for with this color scheme, but I will set that aside and use it in something later.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears.
Now here I have some drips that I saved from another pour with similar colors, so I'm just going to use that to help stretch this out a little.
My heart is big open sky flying. Big open sky Our ears still ringing with the sound. We were floating off the ground. I still feel it even now.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah.
And here we are with the dry results. This is the wrecked straight pour. Not sure if it'll show up really well, but that copper, oh, does it just come out gorgeous. And this is the first open cup pour I did. I am just loving that whole center area. And you get a really good idea of the type of cells that happen with the addition of the Art Deco white. And last but not least, this one, I swear, I feel like it looks like it's glowing in real life. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, well, thank you for being here with me today, and I hope you all have a beautiful day.